Thank you so much, Steph. We say happy Friday to Kris. How you doing?
Friday. Second Friday this week.
We made it. We did it.
Yes,
Twice.
yes.
Let's talk about the markets. Of course, U.S. markets are closed today. They've got the 4th of July tomorrow. So how are things faring, at least on this side?
Hard to say. The TSX is trying for a fourth straight winning day, and if Europe is any indication, we've got markets there moving lower, just modestly though. Oil and gold also in the red in pre-market, so Bay Street could start the day lower, but you just never know. It's very hard to predict nowadays. As mentioned, U.S. markets are closed. The Nasdaq closed at an all-time high yesterday, so the rally seemingly continues. As far as oil goes, it is looking at a gain this week, higher by almost 5%. A couple of reasons for that. The better-than-expected U.S. jobs report yesterday, which kind of caught many by surprise. American crude stockpiles fell by the most this year, and then a survey shows that OPEC oil production dropped to its lowest level since 1991 last month. So all of those things providing a lift to the price for oil, which may or may not help Bay Street today.
Shall we talk Shopify on a run?
Yes. Now, if I were to give you a stock tip, I would have told you to buy Shopify at the beginning of the year.
Yes.
Doesn't help now.
I mean, yes. That would have been a nice tip. Yeah.
Yes. The stock is up by 14% over the last 5 days, but higher by 170% year to date going into today. The stock hit an all-time high on Bay Street yesterday. It was up by about 8%. It also hit a record on Wall Street after an upgrade at Baird. So an analyst with that firm boosted the price target on the U.S. listed shares to $1,100 from $820. That's a pretty big upgrade, citing near-term momentum and long-term optimism. Now, the stock in the U.S. is trading just over $1,000, and remember, that's $1,000 U.S. We talk about maybe pandemic-proof companies. I think this is probably one of them.
Absolutely. Finally here, I know you want to show us a video.
Yeah. Were we able to get the video?
I think we've got it.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
I think we've got it. Okay.
So everyone is familiar with this viral hug between these two little boys. Oh my gosh, it's just so adorable.
I love them.
Maxwell and Finnegan. Well, it turns out these two will be featured in a clothing campaign to raise funds for charity.
Oh, that's awesome. The
initiative is for athleisure brand Boy Meets Girl, and the campaign will be promoting anti-racism. So these two little boys are shown in a collection of shirts and sweaters from the brand, and it also includes that viral hug. Proceeds of the sale of items will benefit a foundation which was started by two women who filmed black men being unjustly arrested at a Starbucks back in 2018. That was another video that went viral, but I thought this was a very happy, feel-good Friday story.
Oh, it is, and I can watch that video over and over.
I
These
know.
two sweethearts.
I know.
Kris,
it's adorable.
As always, nice to see you. You have yourself a great weekend.
Yes, you too.
And then we'll check in on Monday.
Okay.
All right, take care.
You too.